Known for their performance, quality, and unique design, Yamaha produces a wide range of bikes including sport bikes, touring bikes, naked bikes, and off-road bikes. They have a reputation for producing high-quality goods, and a large part of this is because of the way they make their products. Its dedication to quality craftsmanship by Yamaha is one of the factors that sets them apart from other businesses. They think that adding a personal touch is necessary to produce things that are not only useful, but also beautiful. Yamaha has a long tradition of meticulously handcrafting their musical instruments, and the same level of care and attention to detail is used in the manufacture of their motorcycles as well. So how does a Yamaha superbike emerge from mere metal pieces? Let's find out how the great Yamaha makes their superbikes. Yamaha has several motorcycle factories located in Japan, where they produce their line of motorcycles and scooters. One of Yamaha's main motorcycle factories is located in Iwata City, in the Shizuoka Prefecture of Japan. The Iwata factory is in charge of producing a variety of motorcycles, including sports bikes, cruisers, and touring bikes, among others. It serves as the primary production facility for Yamaha's global motorcycle operations. Yamaha Motor Corporation Ltd., the Yamaha subsidiary in charge of producing motorbikes, marine equipment, and other motorized vehicles, has its headquarters in the Iwata factory as well. The factory uses cutting-edge production methods and is known for creating high-quality motorcycles that are well-liked by riders all around the world. Now let's look at the process of how the bikes are made. Yamaha manufactures its motorcycles in Japan using cutting-edge manufacturing processes and equipment. To maintain efficiency and consistency, the production process is extensively automated, with numerous jobs being carried out by machines and robots. The development of the motorcycle's frame and chassis usually marks the beginning of the production phase. In order to create the motorbike frame, metal components must be chopped and joined by the welding. The motorcycle's engine is another essential component, and the engines are put together using a mixture of automated and manual procedures. Then each engine is put through a series of tests to guarantee quality and performance. Even though the assembly of the engine is critical work, Yamaha uses skilled technicians to perform certain tasks that require manual dexterity or attention to detail. Technicians are responsible for installing bearings or other components, adjusting valve clearances, or setting ignition timing. After the motorcycle's frame and engine are made, it goes through a number of finishing procedures, such as painting and polishing. Yamaha is renowned for its premium paint treatments, and the business employs cutting-edge methods to produce a flawless surface. After the various motorbike parts have been put together, the finished product is put through a number of tests and inspections to make sure it satisfies Yamaha's exacting quality requirements. The motorcycle is prepared for transportation to dealerships and customers worldwide once it's passed all testing and inspections. Do you know which was the first bike Yamaha produced? Yamaha's first motorcycle was the YA1, which was released in 1955. It was a 125cc, two-stroke, single-cylinder bike that was capable of producing 5 horsepower. Now let's check out some of the best bikes the Iwata City factory produces. Yamaha YZF R1 is a high-performance sport bike designed for track and use and offers exceptional handling, agility, and speed. It features a cross-plane crankshaft and advanced electronics for enhanced performance. Yamaha MT-07 is a naked bike that offers a balance of power and agility and is a great option for riders who want a versatile bike that can handle both city streets and twisty roads. Yamaha Tenere 700 is an adventure bike designed for off-road exploration and features a powerful engine, advanced electronics, and rugged construction. It's a great option for riders who want to tackle challenging terrain. Yamaha XSR 900 is a retro-inspired bike which combines classic styling with modern performance and technology. It's a great option for riders who want a unique bike that stands out from the crowd. Yamaha has a solid reputation for making high-quality, powerful, and adaptable motorcycles. Their motorcycles have a reputation for superb handling, quick engines, and cutting-edge technology. Yamaha has also had success in a number of motorcycle racing events, being the only motorcycle manufacturer to have won every MotoGP title since the introduction of the 4-stroke engine in 2002. Underscoring the company's dedication to quality. Would you own a Yamaha bike after seeing how perfectly and carefully the manufacturing process is done? If yes, which bike would you like to own? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.